How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the Team O'Neill Rally School. I'm Wyatt. Just wanted to settle a quick debate. What's the difference between rims and wheels? The only difference between rims and wheels is kind of where you've grown up and what sort of genre of car culture you might be hanging out with, or the stuff that you might be doing. But just so you know, if you go online and you need to buy yourself a set of wheels, you need to buy yourself a set of wheels. So as you start really dealing with different people from different sort of worlds, to an engineer, to someone who's a little more detail oriented, this is a wheel. Your wheel has three parts. You've got your hub, where it bolts to the vehicle. You've got your spokes that come out and kind of hold it all together. And you guessed it, on the outside here is your rim. This is the rim, this is your spokes, these are the hubs. It's become popular in some circles, depending on where you're from. Like I said, where you learned to call this a rim and to call this a wheel. This is a wheel and tire assembly, obviously, but that's become a thing. And sure, if you're, whatever you might be doing, if you're drifting or you're into the stance world, or hey, if your neighbor calls this a wheel, you might need to call this a wheel. But just know, as you branch out and go do different things in the world, you might need to get it right. And if you do, this is a wheel, like I said, and this is a wheel and tire. A wheel with a tire on it, wheel and tire assembly, whatever you want to call that. There's a million different kinds of wheels. There's steel wheels, aluminum wheels, heavy duty wheels, lighter weight wheels. These are also heavy duty wheels. Some wheels have 2 or 3 parts, meaning that you can bolt them together in different ways. Some wheels you can unbolt the rim from the spokes and the hub and take these apart. Sometimes there's 2 and 3 piece wheels are kind of a different thing, but the whole assembly as a whole is still going to be a wheel, in that it bolts to the vehicle, your tire mounts to that, the wheels go round and round, and happily you go down the road. So hopefully that clears it up. Thank you guys for watching. Again, Team O'Neill Rally School. Check out the link to the website. Subscribe to the channel and all that happy stuff. If you got any comments, definitely leave them below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.